Shoulders back, neck scrunched, eyes big, and...
Come on, Clifford. You need to practice your pouncing.
He is busy hooing.
He's been hooing his head off. Let's go, Clifford. I'll be right back, Norville. Whoa! How do you do?
You say...
I mean... You have to try it again, Clifford. I beg your pardon?
No, not that polite stuff. Pouncing.
Huh?
Excuse me, but Clifford is having a good manners lesson now.
Huh?
Clifford, what did I tell you about holes? If you dig one, you gotta fill it back up.
How do you do?
Clifford, I can't hear you hooing.
We'll never get to bouncing if you don't work on pouncing. 1, 2, 3, pounce!
Clifford, you left Fred lying here on his back.
I beg your pardon. I beg your...
See, this is the kind of thing I'm talking about.
Okay, pup.
Excuse me, Clifford, but you
Sit
are
with the
not
hole
showing
until the
good
hole is full.
I've got to pounce. How do you do? I've got to fill up. I've got to take a break.
Yeah, well, I guess school is out for the day.